Is your computer running slow or having issues? Lehigh Acres Computer Help is here to provide reliable and professional computer repair services right in your area. Located in Lehigh Acres, Florida, our certified technicians handle everything from virus removal to hardware upgrades. Whether it's a minor software issue or a complex hardware repair, we've got you covered with fast and efficient solutions. Our services are convenient and hassle-free. We come directly to your home or office, ensuring that your computer problems are resolved without any added stress. Plus, we offer remote support for software issues. Worried about costs? We offer free quotes to give you an upfront estimate. Our services are affordable and dependable with no hidden fees. Call us to learn more about any applicable fees and our current pricing. Want to restore your computer's performance quickly? Reach us at 239-421-8187 or visit LehighAcresComputerHelp.com for more information. Don't let computer issues slow you down.